In this video, we'll show you how to always open the terminal at the center of the screen in Ubuntu. By default, in Ubuntu with the GNOME desktop, all programs start at the top left corner of the screen. To make programs, including the terminal, start at the center of the screen on Linux distributions using GNOME. First, open a new terminal window. Next, run this command, then press Enter. The change takes effect instantly, and programs will now open at the center of the screen. If you want to turn this behavior off, you can do so easily. Rerun the same command, but this time, replace true at the end of the input with false. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result using the GNOME Tweaks tool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.